In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Notion with Zoom. By the end, you'll have Notion connected right inside Zoom so you can pull notes, docs, and action items into your meetings without switching tabs. We'll keep this simple and stick to exactly what you need to do. Start in the Zoom desktop app on your computer. Look for the three-dot icon, often labeled More, in the Zoom toolbar. Depending on whether you're on the home screen or inside a meeting, this icon may sit along the top or bottom bar. Click that three-dot menu to reveal additional options that aren't shown by default. This is where Zoom tucks away extra features, including access to its app integrations. From that expanded menu, click Apps. This opens Zoom's app launcher and marketplace view. Think of it as Zoom's built-in app store, where you can discover, manage, and launch tools that work inside Zoom. If this is your first time here, you might see a short introduction or a gallery of featured apps. No problem. Just continue to the search area. In the search bar, type Notion. Be sure you're spelling it exactly as Notion so you get the official integration. Zoom will instantly filter results as you type. You should see the Notion app card appear, typically with a brief description that mentions connecting your workspace and bringing docs into calls. If you don't see it right away, double-check the spelling or clear any filters that might be set. Once you spot the Notion app, click it to open the details page, then choose the option to add it. Zoom may label this button as Add or Install. Click that and follow the on-screen prompts. You might be asked to confirm that you want to connect Notion with Zoom. Review what the integration does, then proceed. After a moment, the app will be added to your Zoom environment, and you'll be able to open Notion directly from the Apps area in Zoom. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the Apps option isn't visible, make sure your Zoom desktop app is up to date and that apps are allowed on your account. If a browser window opens during the add process, that's normal. Just return to Zoom once the installation completes. And if multiple workspaces exist in your Notion account, use the Notion interface later to switch to the one you need. That's it. You clicked the three-dot menu, opened apps, searched for Notion, and added it. You're now set to bring your Notion content into Zoom and keep your meetings organized and actionable.